So hi guys, today I'm going to make a tutorial video for the chapter 7, which is the IP addressing. So I'm going to find a activity that I will going to answer and give you um a guide for you if you're going to answer that activity so that you can answer it easily and you will understand how to answer that activity. So let's proceed to finding a activity. So this the activity binary to decimal conversion utility. So I'm going to search for the calculator because it needs calculator. So this one. So as you can see in this one, so the decimal value is 182. So going to add the in this position going to find all the number that if you were to add is going to have a total number of 182, which is the decimal value that given. So um for the 128 is less than 182, so I'm going to put that 128. So we're going to try the 128 plus the 64. So it's 192. So um we can't add the 164. So going to 128 again plus it needs 10. So 128 again plus 8 and plus 2 plus 8 and plus 128 128 again plus 128 plus 32. So it's 160. So let's put this 32. Then going to add again let's try D16. So 176. So 16. Then we're going to add the 8. So it's 184. So the 8 can't be the 8. So let's add the 4. 4. So we put the 4 to have a 180, and let's add the number 2 to have 182. So this the all all the position that we get. So in the bit we're going to put the 1, then as you can see we don't use the number 64, then going to be 0. 61 we use 61, so it's going to be 1, and all the number that you choose to have a 182, you will put the number 1 and 0 for the number that you don't use. So 16 we use number 16, so let's put number 1, and 8 we don't use that, and number 4 we use number 4 and number 2 and 0. So let's check. So it's correct. So um if you still don't get it, we have to get a new number for you to really understand how to get the decimal to binary conversion activity. So now it's more easy. So we're going to add for the number 182. So as you can see in this, we can't use the 128 because it's higher than 86, but we can use the 64. So let's put 64 and then going to try the 32. So it can't be, so we can use the 32. So let's use number 16. So it's 180 now. We use the number 16. So all we need is 8. So we can use the number 4 and 2. So plus 4 and plus 2. So it's 86 now, 4 and 2. So like I did on the first equation. We're going to now again do that on the second problem. So this is we're going to get put number 1 on a bit which has the um all the number that you used. So for all the number that you don't use, going to put 0. So let's check. So I hope you understand this activity, and then we're going to find another activity for this chapter 7. So as you can see in this one, the activity have the unicast, broadcast, or multicast. So in this destination IP address, this destination IP address, we're going to um on what is on the destination IP address, you're going to click on the computer, going to click on the computer which you're going to receive, which computers is going to receive of those computers going to receive the the IP address. So that's what we're going to do in this activity. So let's start. So as you can see, it's 13792. It has timer, so 17. So this, so as you can see, it's 1237.192.168. Then we're going to again this one. So you can see it's both the same, has the same destination IP address. So that's so so as you can see in that so like this we have the 192.168.100.5. We're going to pick which of this computer has that destination IP address. So as you can see, it has the last number is 1, this last number is 2, this last number is 3, the last number for this is 4, the last number of this is 5. So and like for this also, so this one, so it has both same as this one. So that's for the, and like what I explained on this activity, going to put on the same IP network. So that's all for this activity. And so that's all for the chapter 7 tutorial. So I hope you learn on how I get the decimal to binary conversion and on the destination IP address of which the computer going to put the IP address. So I hope you learn in this tutorial and hope you understand how I answer that activity. Thank you guys again for watching.